Welcome to the Moon with AI. Today we're diving into something truly revolutionary, the AI Oracle, a powerful ensemble of three cutting-edge AI technologies: GPT-4, Claude, and the Perplexity search engine. This is no ordinary tool. By combining these neural networks, AI Oracle is capable of handling just about anything, from complex question answering to fact-checking and beyond. We're going to break down how this tool works, why it's so powerful, and how you can leverage it for your own projects. Whether you're a researcher, content creator, developer, or AI enthusiast, AI Oracle is here to make your life easier and smarter. First, let's talk about what AI Oracle really is. AI Oracle is an ensemble system that takes GPT-4, Claude, and the Perplexity search engine and merges them into one cohesive powerhouse. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table. GPT-4 is OpenAI's language model, renowned for its natural language understanding and creative content generation. Claude, from Anthropic, specializes in producing coherent and contextually rich text responses. Perplexity functions as a search engine, fact-checking responses in real time and ensuring their accuracy. So while GPT-4 and Claude generate highly sophisticated answers, Perplexity steps in to verify those responses, ensuring the final output is not only creative but also reliable. All right, now let's break down the magic happening behind the scenes with the AI Oracle code. The code running this ensemble is built on Python and leverages Google Colab to execute all processes seamlessly in the cloud. Here's a quick rundown of how the code works. First, it sends your query to both GPT-4 and Claude, and both AI models return their respective answers. Then, the results are passed through the Perplexity search engine, which cross-references real-time web data to verify the accuracy of the answers. Finally, AI Oracle combines the responses, giving you a comprehensive, accurate output that's both insightful and fact-checked. So, what makes AI Oracle stand out from other AI tools? Let's talk about its key features. 1. Powerful AI synergy. By using multiple AI models, AI Oracle captures the strengths of both GPT-4 and Claude. It not only generates high-quality text, but ensures that it's diverse in perspective and thought. 2. Real-time accuracy. With Perplexity's fact-checking, AI Oracle cross-references real-world data to verify the responses, giving you an extra layer of trust. 3. Versatility. This ensemble can handle everything from coding assistance to content generation, fact-based research, or even complex problem-solving tasks. Now, let's talk about how you can use AI Oracle in your own projects. Whether you're working on research, content creation, or technical development, AI Oracle provides an unparalleled edge by giving you creative solutions backed by facts. Here are some ways to apply it. 1. Academic research. Looking for credible sources and thorough explanations? Use AI Oracle to get detailed insights, with Claude and GPT-4 providing explanations, while Perplexity checks their credibility. 2. Coding and debugging. You can even use AI Oracle to help write and debug code. GPT-4 and Claude generate snippets, while Perplexity can look for real-time coding solutions or examples online. 3. Content creation. Need help with blog posts, scripts, or articles? AI Oracle will give you high-quality, well-researched content that's fact-checked and ready to go. All right, you're probably thinking, how do I get started? Running the AI Oracle code is incredibly simple thanks to Google Colab. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Click the link in the description to open the Colab notebook. Step 2. Once you're in the notebook, follow the instructions to set up the environment. The code will guide you through integrating GPT-4, Claude, and Perplexity. Step 3. Input your query and let the magic happen. The code will take care of the rest, providing you with a fact-checked and high-quality response. And that's it. You can run this in real time, and Google Colab ensures that the execution is fast, smooth, and always accessible. So why should you consider adding AI Oracle to your toolkit? Here's a quick rundown. Increased accuracy. You don't just get a response, You get a response that's been cross-verified by a real-time search engine. Diverse thinking GPT-4 and Claude both bring different approaches to problem solving, giving you a wider range of perspectives. Simplicity and power. With just a few clicks on Google Colab, you can run one of the most powerful AI ensembles available from anywhere in the world. So there you have it. AI Oracle is the ultimate AI tool for anyone looking to get the most accurate, creative, and reliable responses. Whether you're building a complex AI project, working on research, or just exploring the world of AI, this tool is here to make your work faster and more reliable. If you're ready to try it out, click the link in the description to access the Colab notebook and start using AI Oracle today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.